Hey guys, I got the G900, the TrioPro from Wolfbox. I'm gonna open it right now. You guys gonna see what I got. It's not. It gives you all the instructions. This little paper tells you where everything connects, and it's pretty big. I like it. The screen comes out very protected on the box. The back end looks awesome. Here's the entry ports. You got USB-C, 2 auxiliary ports. Here's the camera. So before you guys install it, you make sure you remove that little thing that's blocking the camera. This is for the license plate. And this piece of device, it goes in the back of your license plate. If you want to put the camera, one of them in the camera. Remember guys, it comes with 3 cameras. That's where the camera goes on top. So this goes right into the license plate. And it comes with instructions. It's well instructed, and it gives you like a card where you contact customer service. Comes with power cables. It comes with the boxes comes with all the cables. One cable is longer than the other one, so make sure you install the cable that you're gonna need that's far away from the dash. Here are the cables. I believe this one's the longest cable, and this one's the short cable. So there you have it. Here's a power cable. Here's the camera. And they give you, that's the GPS. It's going to go in the front. And then that one's another camera that's going to go in the back. It gives you a little tool that you could actually pop up when you install the cable on your car. Now this is where I installed the camera for the front, for the back. And I ran it all the way towards the corners of the truck, going all the way down. Let me show you what it where I actually ran that to. So that runs, I ran it through here all the way down, and it goes all the way towards the bottom. And there's actually, if you open up this, there's a firewall entry in front of the truck, and it's about right here. So then I ran the cables through here all the way down, and then all the way towards right here. See the cables? And they work perfectly. And then the only thing about it is that you make sure you use the long cable that runs towards the back, because you're gonna run it through the sides of the truck all the way towards the top, because they send you a short and a long cable. And let me show you how it works. Here's the quality of the camera, very well. It looks very clear. The rear camera, it's installed all the way in the back, but it looks awesome.